BittyBrush. Hi, let's draw a dinosaur. Circle your hand. Fine. Eyes. Wow, they're moving. Mouth and teeth. Round spots. Dinosaur spikes. Let's paint the dinosaur green. The spots are dark green. And the spikes are green. What a beautiful and cute dinosaur we got! Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel. See you soon!